So Jens, what I'm hearing is that if somebody is going to be with you spending 6 days, and they're going to be having this amazing instruments and the vibrations that are going to
Mhm.
go and touch their body, uh, what can they expect at the, like, okay, they're spending the 6 days in this amazing environment.
Mhm.
Um, what can the expectations be with
Oh,
that 6 days? Yeah.
well, well, they can expect for sure that I will share everything that I have in my sphere to share, and not only to share. For me, it is very important that every participant after the 6 days is able to, even on a professional, high-end scale, to use to apply the basic principles of sound healing. This is and it's very well. I'm trying to be as intense as possible. I will not let. That's why I prefer small classes. I really want to be sure that everyone gets on the track and knows his personal, let's say, a key how to open this sphere of sound healing. And there are some. Well, and by now, as I'm doing it for so many years, I am very, very, say, very, very confident, and I'm very well. Yes, I am happy that the protocols I call it integral sound healing. Is the word is not so important, but as many people use words, and I also need to find out some words, and I don't want to Jens Züger sound healing. This is no, this is because it's a universal thing, but the word integral refers to a concept of thinking, which claims that humans are in a process of evolution, and we are just on a different station on the path. And this was very important for me in my early years, because I felt, and my opinion was like nature is good, but humans are terrible. So I really disliked humans, and so I was like kind of even a punk musician, and 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 I was cultivating my antipathy, and I was very aggressive, and I was basically fighting life, because or I was fighting people because I thought people are mad, people are stupid. And so, but through the concept of the integral philosophy, I realized that life is a process for everyone, and we are on different waves. And this helped me a lot. Well, to to see, to understand, and feel that a process is happening, so we are not stuck. Like, and by now I realize that, um and this is, I met so many people like all over the world, and I can tell that everyone has the option to really change his circumstances. Basically, it's just a decision, and then it is the intention taking this decision all the way. And if you have sound music, then it's very easy to stay, to feel the intention, and also not, oh, what I'm doing here. No, when you have a gong, it's like you have a good friend, like pushing you, carrying you, or embracing you, or protecting you. And so sound music is, before you help other people, it will help yourself, and use it for yourself, and just, yes, basically this is uh, so if you are like, if you have the intention of, let's say, changing your life, using or even, or going into a different perspective of your profession, then it's like a multi level operation. You help yourself, and you help others.
Wow, that sounds like you've given me some kind of hope and saying that no matter where you are, there is a possibility and there are tools that can help us.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that amazing hope that you brought in.